If you're wondering how to operate an AEG extractor fan, it's really simple. We have 4 buttons here and a little indicator light as well. The indicator light will come on when the fan's actually working. So we have a little light here to illuminate the surface down below. Normally that would be a hob. And then we have other buttons here. So the fan will work with the light on or off. So I'll just leave it on. And we've actually got 3 settings here. So if you have them so they're all sticking out, that will be off. If you have this one on, that will be the lowest setting, so that one on the left hand side. If we then have this button in, that will be the medium setting, and this button here will be the highest setting. And then we can turn it on and off from here. So if we were to leave them to on, every time you press it in here, it will be the highest setting. If you take that one out, every time you press it in here, it will be the medium setting. And if you take them both out, every time you press this button, it will be the lowest setting here. So depending on what you're cooking, will depend on whether or not you want the highest, medium, or lowest suction. Really straightforward. Thanks for watching.